Hi guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday, 7:15 a.m. Sabi namin nagigising kami ng maaga kasi magda-dumpster dive sana kami. Kasi kagabi hindi kami natuloy. Hindi naman kami nagising ng maaga guys. Anong oras na? Alas 7 na. Traffic na. Tignan natin yung mga alaga natin. Mento! Nakaabang! Kaabang sila oh. Hi! Hi! Aha! Oh, hi! Cute talaga. Hindi yan sila natutulog dito sa loob. They used to sleep with us. Kaso nga lang, nagigising sila ng mga alas 2 or alas 3. Meron naman silang nilalagay namin dito sana na meron naman kaming nilalagay dito sa loob na litter box nila guys. Especially kapag magstay sila ng matagal dito sa loob. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, kapag overnight nga sila magstay dito, umiiyak talaga sila guys. Like, nagigising talaga kami ng mga 2 to 3 a.m. So, istorbo talaga sila. Kaya ang ginawa namin, naglagay kami ng parang cat house nila sa labas. Minsan naman natutulog sila under the porch. Ito po yung pagkain niya. Pinipare ni John. Halika na, dito ka. Wow! Sige na, eat.
Province, are you gonna eat?
Ito siya.
Or did you already eat?
Ito si Midnight. Yung itim na pusa namin. Hindi kumakain ng dry food. Kaya ang ginagawa namin ni Jan, yung wet food niya, hinahaluan namin ng dry food. Ito po yung kanyang supply ng pagkain. Medyo mura lang siya ha, yung Friskies. Ayan. Ay, sa Amazon pala natin nabibili to dear, no? This is from Amazon?
Yeah.
How much is this? $32, right? So parang $1 each. Each can.
20 something.
20 something? But it's $1 each can, right?
A little less.
May mga nagtatanong pala kung sinong nag-aalaga sa pusa namin kapag nasa Pilipinas kami. The answer is our neighbor. Babayaran lang namin siya. Ayan. So ito na po yung na-brine natin na duck.
Or turkey pala.
This is a big duck.
Very big. Pasto.
Pato. First time namin mag-brine for 24 hours. Usually kasi the advice is 4 to 6 hours para hindi siya masyadong aalat.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too much.
Ito po yung brine na ginawa ni John. Actually, we can reuse it eh.
Yeah.
You will just keep it. You put it back here, darling. Ito po yung dinner natin mamaya.
Needs to be rinsed off.
Okay. Let me remove this first. You need the bag or no?
No.
Okay. So yun, sa mga nagtanong kung anong mangyayari sa pusa namin kapag magbakasyon kami sa Pilipinas, yung kapitbahay namin, binabayaran lang namin like $100 per week ang ibabayad namin sa kanya. Pero actually, they have the feeder, yung electronic feeder or AI machine kung tawagin. Even if we are like nagko-cruise kami, we can see them. May camera kasi siya guys na naka-attach. We can see what they're doing, if they're eating. We can load the food even if we're outside the US. So that's the good thing about it. Our technology right now is very high-tech na, very evolving na. So a lot of, new technology just like that. Nakikita natin ang mga nangyayari sa mga alaga nating pusa. Hindi, balik natin sa ref. Ayaw talaga nitong kumain itong aming palangga. This is our first baby. This is our first baby. This is Province. Say hi to the vlog. Love na love ko talaga yung mga pusa namin. Okay. Guys, siya nga pala, ang dami na palang members ng aking broadcast channel na kinreate ko lang siya in one day doon sa aking FB. Maraming salamat talaga. Alam kong isa ka sa mga members ng broadcast channel ni Johannes and John Vlogs. Doon po ako nag-a-update guys ng latest vlogs ko. Any announcement, important announcement guys regarding my YouTube channel, ayan, doon ko nilalagay. Because I thought before that doing daily vlogs will make some people, get bored. But when you do something different in your vlogs, like you do cooking show, you do gardening, you do dumpster diving, you mix them back. They will not get bored. Traveling, I think they will get bored when you're only talking or what. But I think talking is also good when you're giving educational, thing like, advices, experiences, I think okay yun.
Are you ready for coffee?
I'm ready for coffee. Si Jan na nagtimpla ng kape. Dapat ako magtitimpla ng kape. Ano nangyari, Johannes? Ikaw muna ang magsisilbi kay Jan. Ako pa rin pinagsisilbihan. Alam mo, wala pang 1 weekend simula na operahan si Jan. Pero kasi minor surgery lang yung sa kamay ni Jan eh. Tinanggalan lang yung cyst sa kamay ni Jan. Hindi naman talaga siya, hindi nga siya nilagyan ng anesthesia eh. Ginam lang yung kanyang kamay during the surgery. And siya, curious? Awake siya ba nung ginawa yung surgery? Hindi pa rin talaga ako sanay na mag-drink ng water. Pero sinasanay ko yung sarili ko na mag-drink ng water before having coffee.
Little coffee, a lot of milk.
Ay, that's what I want to change.
Me?
Kasi hindi...
A lot of coffee, little milk.
Baliktad talaga kami ni Jan, guys. Gusto ko talaga ng maraming milk and konti lang yung coffee. Sa kay Jan naman, maraming coffee and konti yung milk. Pero in reality, guys, black coffee is very beneficial to your body. Hindi mo siya hahaluan. You don't mix it with half and half. You don't mix it with milk. But there are some milk, guys, na nutritious. Just like the almond milk, but I cannot take it. It's not really the same.
Close.
Not close talaga siya, guys. Even if I drink it just as it is, parang I can't take it. It's really not good. And also, the almond milk is, I think, high in fat. I don't know if it's a good fat or bad fat. So, ayun. Kaya stick pa din ako sa half and half. That's what we always put in our coffee. So, mataas kasi yung cholesterol ko, pero I'm not sure if it's sa family namin or what. Pero wala naman, so far sa family naman namin guys talaga is wala naman akong nabalitaan like before sa province na ganyan because of high cholesterol, may problema sa heart or something like that. Kasi ang ano ngayon ng doktor is baka mag-clog yung arteries, ganyan, 'di ba? Alam ko maraming mga nurses din na nanonood sa akin or sa medical field na nanonood sa akin. What is your take about it? About having high cholesterol. Ako kasi my triglycerides low, no? My other numbers are low except for the LDL, but my LDL kasi started to go up when I started my low carb diet. I'm not sure if that's related to that. Kasi before talaga, eat ako ng rice, whatever. Mataas pa rin yung cholesterol ko before, but ngayon kasi is nasa 300-ish siya. I think nasa 310 yung total cholesterol, pero yung LDL is I think nasa 210 or something. No, medyo mataas pa rin siya kasi dapat nasa 100 lang yan ipababa. Hati kasi yung opinion ng maraming tao when it comes to cholesterol. Even yung mga doctors, guys, or even yung mga nasa medical professionals, guys, is sabi nila okay lang naman daw na mataas yung cholesterol mo. Ang importante, okay yung blood pressure mo, okay yung sugar level mo, which is okay naman sa akin, guys. So, wag daw intindihin masyado yung cholesterol. And may mga iba naman na nagsasabi na doctor na kailangan i-take seriously ang high cholesterol. That's why they're advising to take like statins or something like that, medication guys. Pero ako kasi, based naman sa mga nababasa ko, nagkakaroon sila ng mga side effects kapag ka nagte-take sila ng statins or whatever guys. So sabi ko, I will have to change my diet first and see if I will consider taking it in the future or not. What is your take about it? Nagte-take ba kayo ng ganyan? If you have high cholesterol, sino yung mga nasa medical field? Ano po yung ginawa ninyo? Advice niyo naman ako. Yung Dr. Berg nga na napapanood namin sa YouTube, sabi nga niya guys is you can eat eggs every day, like as many as you can. I mean, not as many as you can. 6 pieces if you want. Pero ako kasi nililimit ko sa 2 boiled egg every day. Pero sabi naman nila, wag daw kainin yung egg yolk. I don't know. Ano ba talaga ang papel ng cholesterol sa buhay natin? Other doctors kasi say, other doctors kasi believe that cholesterol is not really bad for the body. No? At sa probinsya naman talaga natin guys, we don't, aminin nyo yan, we don't usually have ourselves checked sa doctor. So, hindi natin alam kung anong mga nangyayari sa body natin, kung mataas ba yung cholesterol natin, kailangan ba siyang gamutin or what. Kasi sa province talaga is, syempre, yung mga mayayaman, yung may health insurance lang, yung may opportunity na makakapag-check. Especially kung 50 ka kasi or 60 na, you really have to undergo like mga annual mga routine, mga ganyan, check-up, no? Ay, na-happy naman ako dito guys sa ginawa ko ng broadcast channel. Maraming salamat. Kung nandito ka sa broadcast channel ko, hindi kasi kayo makakapag-message dito guys. Ako lang makakapag-message sa inyo dito. So, magbibigay ako ng mga updates dito, mga latest vlog. Ang dami ka agad nag-like. Ibig sabihin, marami ka agad ang nanood. Tignan natin ha. Kasi kanina yung views ko is nasa 7.2. Tignan natin. Hala, 7.7 na. Ay, ang dami na kaagad nanood. Ay, salamat. Uy, maraming salamat talaga. Gusto kong i-shout out kayo guys, pero mag-comment kayo doon sa video ko. Sabihin niyo lang kung gusto po ninyong magpa-shout out para i-shout out natin kayo. Magandang ano to ha, platform ito. Thank you so much FB. Magandang platform ito para mapagsama-sama yung aking mga regular viewers, regular subscribers, no? Sa isang channel, broadcast channel. Kasi alam nyo guys, kapag ka nag-upload ako or nag-share ako ng link or video, YouTube video ko sa aking FB page, hindi man lang nakakakuha ng 10 likes or 100 likes, mga ganyan lang siya. So, dito marami nakikita ninyo, na-update kayo kasi mas tutok ang mga tao sa Messenger eh. At nabibigyan kayo ng notification. Thank you guys. At bilang pasalamat ko sa inyo, siguro magbigay na lang siguro ako ngayong katapusan ng isang balikbayan box na makakuha. Pero makuha nyo pa ito guys sa June katapusan. June katapusan nyo na ito makuha guys ha. Isa ang mabibigyan natin guys sa mga mahilig mag-comment, mahilig manood. Yung mga deserving talaga, no? So, maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo. Malaking tulong po talaga yan sa amin ni John. Hey guys! Good morning!
Good morning.
Welcome to our vlog. For today's video ay ililipat na natin sa lupa itong ating mga na-germinate. Let's start with eggplant. Ayan. Ako na dear, let me handle it. Okay.
Scoop it out, dump it into there.
We have a scooper, guys. Sana lang makasurvive itong talong natin this season kasi last season kasi guys, ang tagal naming hinintay na mamunga yung talong and then yung nag-action na siya na mamunga, no? Naabutan naman ng winter season kaya hindi talaga namin napakinabangan but hopefully this time sana ay maka-harvest na tayo. Right. Next. Hi guys. So there's only one panel. So we will just put it here near the cucumber, near the bok choy. First time din naming magtanim ng fennel dito sa aming garden. Not sure kung familiar kayo sa fennel guys kasi ako first time ko lang makakain ito dito nung nasa Amerika na ako. And usually nakakakain lang ako nito kapag kadala ni John galing sa kanyang trabaho. At ang gusto kong pagkakaluto nito ay ang roasted fennel. Sana makasurvive ito. Not sure kung bakit isa lang itong tinanim ni John or isa lang siguro yung tumubo. Tomato and pepper.
Put the little sign with the fennel. Where Garden Kitty is.
Hi Garden Kitty. Hi Kitty lovely. You wanna plant too? You wanna plant? Doesn't have to be deep, right?
We have the other Garden Kitty watching us over there.
Napapansin nyo ba yung parang black cloth guys sa garden natin? Yan po yung weed block. Ginagamit po namin yan guys para ma-prevent yung pagtubo ng mga sagbot or mga damo sa garden natin. Effective yan siya guys para hindi na tayo mangguna palagi ba? So, bell pepper naman itong tinatanim namin dito guys. Itong seeds na ito guys ay mga naiipon namin sa mga bell pepper na nabibili namin sa tindahan din. Especially pag magaganda yung variety, iniipon talaga namin guys at pinapatuyo namin. And then tinatanim din namin sa aming garden. O 'di ba? Isa din 'yang paraan guys para mas makasave tayo. Hindi na tayo bibili ng mga seeds sa Amazon kasi minsan yung mga seeds sa Amazon guys na nabibili namin may mga problema, hindi siya tumutubo. Kagaya na lamang nung long beans, mag 1 month na. Pag medyo matanda na talaga tayo guys, no? Pagka yumuyuko tayo, pag angat natin,
1 row's enough.
okay. Pag angat natin guys, no, is mahihilo tayo. Marami pang mga sobra. Oh. Iset aside lang natin yung sobra guys kasi minsan may nagkakaproblema yung mga tinatanim natin. Minsan kinakakha ng mga iring, minsan hindi nakakasurvive. Ayan, tapos talagyan lang din natin nitong signage para alam natin kung ano yung nandito. Okay.
Here, just put them back in the holes. Do them like this. So when I go to fill them, it's already ready.
Long beans guys natin hindi siya talaga nakasurvive. Nilagyan ni Jan actually ito ng panibago, nagtanim siya ng panibago.
Nothing ever happened.
Nothing ever happened. And usually beans mabilis lang siyang mag-germinate,
We can
magtubo.
put the tomatoes back here
Ay, naglalaro na naman si Midnight. Where?
in the hollow block.
Ah, okay. Sa hollow block daw natin ilagay guys. There's nothing in there, darling?
No.
Ang ganda ng idea ni Jan guys na dito magtatanim ng gulay sa ginawa niyang paso yung hollow block. May mga ibang nakatanim na nga dito guys. Ayan, o garlic. Tapos yung iba tataniman naman natin ito ng tomato. Dito natin ilalagay. O, 'di ba ang smart? Guys, update tayo sa ating blueberry. Ayan, namunga na. Ala, ang dami pala darling. Oh, all over the bush.
Ding ding.
Oo. Wow! I'm so happy na may blueberry na tayo dito sa garden. One of my favorite na nilalagay sa with yogurt, partner with yogurt, ang blueberry. Very nutritious, very delicious. Hopefully it's sweet. Pero hopefully maraming bunga ito this year or makakain kasi usually kasi 'di ba pag first na bunga pa lang parang hindi pa masyadong maganda. I think the following year pa yung maganda. O tignan niyo, dami all over the tree. Also our peach, malapit na rin yung peach natin. Uy, mayroon na rin yung peach. Oh, yan oh. Mayroon na rin yung peach. Ayan. Wow. I'm very happy. Happy also yung ating kalamansi. May kalamansi din eh. Ito kalamansi natin. Marami pa rin. Gawa tayo ng kalamansi juice. Ayan. Tayong mga Pilipino guys, no, mahilig tayo sa sausawan na toyo with kalamansi. So, na-happy naman ako na buhay ang ating kalamansi tree. Where? May new broccoli coming out daw. On the same plant?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why we cut it off. See?
Ay, oh.
Now-
Ayan nga, oh.
Now it'll give little florets.
Mm-mm.
So there's the ladybug that's trying to eat the eggs, the larva of the other bug.
Actually guys, this is the second time na nagbunga ito. Yung others, not yet. I think this one is getting very soon.
Yeah, that's soon.
Soon.
They would be doing better, but they had parasites I didn't see every day.
Actually guys, our plants is not organic because we treat them sometimes. Yung guava natin, I don't know kung may guava tayo this year. Mamunga ito but I'm not sure. Very healthy yung ating parsley. Tigulang na yung ating green onion. Kailangan na natin tong I don't know if mamunga ba ang green onion. The green onion can have seeds or no? Okay. Kasi paano? Parang wala pa rin. Very healthy ang tanglad natin. Ayan. Lots of flowers ang ating avocado. Not sure in front. Yeah, lots of flowers also in front. Ayan oh. Zoom natin ha. Ayan. Front of our front tree. Ayan oh. That's the biggest avocado. Parang papaya siya kalaki guys.
Is it possible somebody comes and steals the seed?
I don't know.
Because I don't find a dead seed.
Ala na, wala. Hindi makita ni dyan yung mga dead seed.
I wonder if the squirrels take them.
Posible din kaya siguro guys no, na kinakha ng mga squirrel yung long beans na seeds na tinanim namin. Pero twice na eh. At saka walang signs na may nagkakha or tinuka ba ito ng ibon or what. Hugasan ko lang itong aking camera. Hugasan ko lang itong ating tripod full of sand. Buksan lang natin. That's it for our planting video. Abangan nyo sa susunod na video natin. I think today magluluto tayo ng roasted turkey. Ayan. Of course, gamitin natin yung turkey na brine natin kagabi. Guys, let me know guys ha, kung itry nyo din yung brine. Gawin nyo yung brine para mas pasarapin pa ang inyong mga chicken or turkey or duck. I-marinate na siya.
You see our secret tomato growing?
No. Saan mo nilagay?
I just noticed it.
Saan? Hindi ko makita. Tignan mo kasi, Johannes, para mo makikita.
It's gonna be a bigger one.
Ay, hala, oo nga. It's hiding. Yan o. Wow. Kasi we thought, guys, this is the only thing we have. The cherry tomatoes. Because they're healthy.
Yeah,
You know?
wondering what's taking it so long.
Pero it's only one, ha?
One at a time for that plant.
One at a time. Ang ganda talaga ng atake ng iPhone 17. Ayan oh. From now on, ito na yung gagamitin ko.
What about the lilies? Did you show them the lilies?
Oo, I showed them the lilies. Ay, there's more flowers today ha, with the lilies. Ang ganda talaga ng atake ng iPhone 17. Ito na yung gagamitin ko kasi yung GoPro, hindi siya. Siguro papalitan ko yun. ng Insta360 yun eh. Siguro papalitan ko siya ng ano yung mas maliit na handy, yung compact. Anong camera yun guys? Nakalimutan ko. DJI something. Ayan, ganda. Wait lang. Oh, beautiful. Guys, oh. Wow. They're blooming.
There's gonna be a whole lot tomorrow.
Oo, parang everyday siya guys, nagbo-bloom. Ito, there's gonna be a lot tomorrow. There's gonna be a lot tomorrow.
They're very happy in there.
Sabi pala ni Jan guys, we're gonna buy a lechon thing, right? Lechon machine.
Yes.
And then we're gonna rotisserie machine. Do we have to remove this? I think. I know we don't.
No, the fire will get rid of it. Some of it will cook.
Dito daw kami maglilechon guys. You heard it right. Kapag ka nakapag-oath taking ceremony na ako guys, iimbitahin ko yung aking mga kaibigan dito sa bahay. Tapos instead of mag-order kami ng lechon, ako na lang yung gagawa. Tapos sabi ni Jan, bibili daw kami nung parang rotisserie machine, yung electric. Hindi yung kami magtuyok-tuyok guys, yung electric na lang. Para hindi naman tayo mahirapan. Nakikita kasi ni Jan guys yung manual na pagluluto ng lechon doon sa probinsya nung umuwi siya. Talagang 4 to 6 hours na niluluto yung mga lechon guys. I think hindi naman 4 to 6 hours. Mga 3 to 4 hours, ganyan. So sabi ni Jan, bibili daw siya nung electric. Para at least 'di ba pag may mga party-party dito sa bahay, tayo na lang mismo ang magluto. Bibili. Meron kasi kaming kaibigan dito may-ari ng Bush Brothers. Ayan, na if you're familiar dito sa Florida. Ayan, nagtitinda daw sila ng whole pig. So, yun doon tayo bibili. Hello, Province. Hi, Province. Look at the camera. I'm here. Behind you. Behind you. Ayaw niya. Province. Look at the camera. Come here. I know. La 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 la. Hi. Baho kong tiil? Where's Midnight? Midnight. Wala yung isa. Hi guys.
Almond flour.
Top of the morning. We're heading out again. Jan is going to buy some groceries for work. And also we need something for the house. First store na pupuntahan natin is Costco. We need water. We need flour. Almond flour you said?
Almond flour.
And then we also need eggs for the bread. Also need lemons. I also need packaging tape. So yeah, few things to buy there. And then where do we shop for work? Bednar's
We're gonna go. I don't know if I have to bring you to Bednar's unless you want to go, but we need to go to Publix. We need to go to Carmine's. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's.
All right. So in short, we're bouncing around today.
We are bouncing around, which saves me.
Oh, Trader Joe's, yes, because I'll check. A lot of people
Tomorrow.
are asking if there's already available Trader Joe's bags. It's still very in demand worldwide. So we'll see if we can find some. No? Nakakagulat lang guys no kasi nag-check ako ng mga prices ng Trader Joe's online kasi mostly kasi hindi siya available sa store kasi pinag-aagawan siya. Alam ko naman na research nyo yan na ang kantidad lang nito is nasa $2.99 yung super liit and then parang $3.99 po yung parang large tote and then syempre mag-a-add ka pa ng tax na 7% dito sa Florida which will cost $4.50 in total. Pero guys syempre yung gas i-add mo pa kaya minsan yung iba binibenta nila for 800, 900 to 1,000 pesos. Pero grabe yung nakikita ko na ibang prices online guys, umabot ng $17, $20, parang pwede pa siya. Pero yung iba talaga umabot ng $11,000, $20,000, $50,000. May bumili nga daw sa may parteng Europe ata yun or Japan, may bumili daw talaga guys ng 50,000 USD. Binalita naman yun sa TV but I'm not sure kung totoo talaga yun guys. Baka naman yung quality na ginamit nila sa tote ay pang Chanel. Ayun po yung Costco guys. Wala masyadong pila. sa gas station.
Too early.
That's true. So currently it's 9:44 and for executive members it's already open from 9 a.m. start. Pero for gold members they're open at 10 a.m. Pero ang mga senaryo dito guys, no, marami ng mga nakapila sa labas kahit alam naman nila na hindi pa sila pwedeng pumasok sa may nakapila na naman pero not so much line. Siguro natuto na sila. Ayoko na sumugod sa isang like store na mag-open pa ng mga 30 minutes ako maghihintay sa labas. No. Antayin ko muna na mag-open tsaka makikipagdigmaan. Okay, let's go. I-ready ko lang yung aking membership.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's what we use, apple cider vinegar. What is it good for?
It's good for blood sugar.
Sa mga gustong mag-order ng apple cider vinegar, message nyo lang ako. Maganda daw yan guys, pag-control ng sugar. That's good. $6.99. What else is in here? Almond flour, sausages, and tape. Oh, what's that?
It's something different. I don't know if we had those before or not. We may have. Because we've
Chicken.
been buying these. It's the Amy Lou brand.
We like Emilo brand. Ah, with cheddar. Yeah.
Yeah, that's maple, not so much. For,
Ah, okay.
so
At the duty.
8-pack is
26.
is the price of a 4-pack at Staples.
$2.50. Let's look at the back. Yeah, I think it's this one. Habang nag-ikot-ikot kami guys, nakita ko yung mga display nila ng TV, nagkakahalaga ng $199 to $250. Di ba malaking tipid na rin nung nakakita tayo ng TV sa kalsada? And speaking of TV sa kalsada, available pa din guys ha, ipapamigay po natin yun sa mga kababayan natin na malapit lang dito sa bahay namin sa Lake Worth, Florida. Kung nangangailangan ka ng TV, additional TV sa inyo, message nyo lang ako kasi ibibigay ko po yun sa inyo. Hindi naman po kasi namin magagamit na dito. And parang hindi din po siya worth it na ipadala sa Pilipinas. Halagang $200, parang baka yun po yung price din ng shipping fee na babayaran mo. So, might as well, bibili ka na lang ng bago doon sa Pilipinas, 'di ba?
Please scan your membership card or touch Need Assistance. 49, 5, 49, 5, 49.
Thank you so much.
Please remember to take
$165. Ayan, so tapos na kami mag-shopping dito sa Costco. One down. Few stops to go. Next will be Bednar's or Trader Joe's. Magdadala lang tayo ng bag sa grocery store. Kasi marami tayong bibilhin. I think maraming bibilhin si Jen kasi sabi niya magdadala daw ng bag. Ayan. Usually, bring our own bag para maka-help tayo sa kalikasan. Wow, anong sabi? Anong sabi ng help sa kalikasan? Okay. Welcome to Publix. Wow, you already got a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Concord Grape. Is that ours? Okay. Dino-double check na talaga naming mabuti guys kapag bumibili kami ng itlog kasi minsan parang nai-scam kami, sinasabing extra large pero may mga maliliit na nasasagol. Okay. Actually, isa sa pinunta namin dito guys sa Publix is ito. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this. Ito daw yung parang siniserve din nila ito during Passover. Free pala ito dito sa Publix guys. Not sure kung sa ibang store free din siya. Anong tawag doon guys? Nakalimutan ko. Isa pala sa paborito kong binibilhan guys ng raspberries and blueberries is dito sa Publix kasi napaka-fresh ng kanilang mga raspberries and blueberries as compare sa other stores. I'm not sure kung agree kayo sa akin. Okay.
No.
So, dito, behind our back, mayroong nagtatrabaho. Sa I think one of the drainage is there's a problem with one of the drainage. And sabi ni Jan, kaya daw niyang, ayan, ay, kaya nga ni Jan. Thank you. Ang bait nila, darling, no? They're very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ang bait nila. Alright, thank you. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Sakto, after natin mag-grocery doon. Bibili ako doon guys ng, they have this delicious sushi at a very affordable price. It's like $6 or $7 and it's like 8 pieces already or 6. I think 8.
Yeah, that's a nice portion.
It's a nice portion, perfect, one serving. So when you stop in here, dear, you release your feet or what?
Only because I have this control that's hold that has automatic brake for me. Otherwise, you keep your foot on the brake. So to go again, I just press the gas. But that's very uncommon for cars. This one's fancy.
So I needed fancy.
No, that's
Or-
something else for you to try to figure out. That's not good. You get your regular automatic car where your foot's on the brake,
Okay.
and then when it's
What
time
is-
to go, you take your foot off the brake and hit the gas.
Okay, is the gas always on the right or the left?
Always on the right.
Always on the right,
Brake
the
is in
gas.
the middle, and the clutch would be all the way on the left.
So there's 3?
No,
Or
there's no
two.
clutch in this car. It's automatic.
Oh, okay. All automatics don't have clutch.
Right.
Oh.
But
Huwag mo akong
but
lituhin.
the same order always for everything. The clutch would never be in the middle. The brake is always in the middle.
I know it's a bit confusing or overwhelming pa sa akin yung mga terminology na about sa cars, about sa rules and regulations, sa road signs and whatever. Pero for sure lahat ito matututunan ko in the right time. Naka $29.72 tayo sa Publix and then $165 sa Costco. So 30 plus almost 200. Almost 200 already in how many hours? No? Grabe. Money is so fast.
So here I'm getting grapes.
Okay. Carmine's pala has great grapes. Fresh, green, crunchy.
$25 off.
Here? La Trattoria? You have a coupon? Oh, perfect for Cora. All right. Choose tayo. Ha?
It's a very good color today. Very orange.
Very orangey. Still good? Okay.
Smoked salmon roll?
I think that's the one you got before. No?
Or did I get the salmon? It's a salmon avocado roll.
Huh? The bird got you? Like pooped you?
Poopy poop.
Ay. I saw it na. Iti. Itihan ang car natin. So in Carmine's, we purchased $24.50. So that makes our total $225. For this trip, for only like few hours, maybe an hour or two.
Not including gas and mileage.
Gas and mileage. So let's say gas is only $10 for everything. So that's 220 plus 225 plus 10, 235. So $235. We stepped out of the house, we spent $235. What if we go on a cruise? That's already 3 days in Bahama. Bahama mama. That's why a lot of people they're talking about it like,
I almost missed Trader Joe's.
ay, oo nga, nandito na tayo sa Trader Joe's. Guys, a lot of people they're actually saying that you can save when you go on a cruise. Because like this one, it's already few hours and we already spent $235. If you go on a cruise, you can actually get a deal for $300, $350 or something like that. Let's make it $500 for everything, including tip, including this. $500 for me, $500 for John, $1,000. You can go on a cruise for 3 to 4 days and 3 nights, no? In Bahamas. Ito yung pinakamalapit na Trader Joe's sa amin. Kasi merong magbubukas na mas malapit sa amin like 5 minutes lang walking distance. But it's not open yet. So, tignan natin kung available ba dito yung Trader Joe's bag. Guys, fortunately, available ang ating canvas tote bag dito sa Trader Joe's. Ay, meron silang bagong color. Ito yung kanilang large tote na purple. Kaya naman, kumuha ako ng 20 piraso muna. Tignan ko kung may mga mag-order nito. Kung gusto po niyo mag-order, ay i-message niyo lang po ako sa aking FB page at doon ko kayo sasagutin. Hi guys, so napagsabihan ako dito sa Trader Joe's na bawal pala mag-recording dito. Actually, I kind of know na from before na bawal mag-recording when you're inside the store. I think you can just take pictures. I don't know. You can take pictures. I think you can take pictures.
We got a recording anyway, so.
Yes. Pero iba-ibang store, iba-ibang policy guys. I think it's a policy of Trader Joe's na bawal mag-video record sa loob ng store. Pero kahit saan naman, kahit sa mga Michael Kors, pwede kayong, ang hindi lang pwede sa Michael Kors is mag-live selling. Pero pwede kayong mag-video call, pwede kayong mag-take ng video, mag-take ng pictures. And I think kung ako ang magiging owner ng Trader Joe's or or kahit anong establishment, okay lang sa akin na, especially ngayon, di ba, na in demand ang mga bags nila. So, pwede naman sigurong mag-video record or para kasi advertisement na rin yan di ba? Free advertisement na rin yan kasi pag i-upload mo, available na dito sa store na itong tote bag, pumunta kayo dito. So, parang mas mabilis mabenta ang kanilang mga items. But I don't know. Iba-ibang policy. Wag na natin tanungin sila kasi syempre, policy nila yun. Wala na tayong magagawa. Let's see if I can grab one. So I can show it to you. Yeah, I'm very leaning now. Ayan. Let's grab one. Ouch. Oh, wow. I grabbed one. Uy, this is beautiful. Guys, this is the new Trader Joe's bag in the purple color. Gusto ko yung dito niya, yung kanyang logo is, ano siya, may pagka-pink. Ayan like blush. Ayan. Maganda siya na color. It's aesthetic. Aesthetic ang color niya.
Blush would be.
When you buy this one, guys, it's like you have a status symbol. Status symbol. A lot of people are selling this for like 1,000 pesos, 850. I mean, I don't judge them because I don't know how they got them Some of them, they're very far away from the store. They travel 2 to 3 hours for them to just purchase this one. And also, some of them, they have limited availability. Okay? So, they are only allowed to purchase 4. So, in that case, they have to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So, they're wasting gas, time, energy. No? So, I'm very happy that in our area is very unlimited. So I got this one. And make sure now when you buy online, there's this sticker, and there's also a tag. Okay? Reusable tote bag. Oh, this is made in Vietnam. But the material is from the US, but made in Vietnam. 65% cotton, 35% polyester. Great for carrying groceries or a beach bag or book bag. Machine wash cold with light color. Machine wash cold with light colors. Lay flat to dry. will shrink slightly. Ah, okay. This is washable too. Nice. I like it. I like this size. I don't like the mini tote because I think it's not enough. This one is, yeah, beach bag. That's for sure. Lagayan ng mga towels. Uy, may buhok pa ni ate, oh. Lagayan ng mga towels. And then lagayan ng mga whatever beach materials. Ayan. Very nice design. Trader Joe's. Hindi daw sila naglilimit guys kasi marami silang, they order the maximum. So that's how she explained it to us. Other store kasi is they limit because they have limited supply. In this store they ordered bunch, the maximum amount that they order. So I think if I post this later and if it's gonna be sold out, I will go back there and purchase more. So I'm not sure yet how much will I price for this one. Beautiful.
Car wash.
Car wash.
It's a daily ritual.
Daily routine. Ritual.
It's really, really how it should be.
Right.
Yesterday's was weak. Went to Costco.
We're home. Bahay na kami and nag-alert yung available na daw yung isa kong medication. Kanina na nasa kalsada kami, hindi nag-alert. Ngayon pa na nasa bahay na kami. Okay. I'm very excited to post na our bag. Ang ganda nito, no? Ang ganda talaga guys ng bag na ito. Siyempre yan yung uunahin natin na ipasok sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Grocery haul. This is for the house, broccoli. This is for me. Fruits ko is raspberry and blueberry, sweet potato, and egg. Hindi ko na isi-save ito kasi sobrang dami na naming plastic na hindi naman nagagamit. So tapo na natin yan. Kakain na tayo guys. So, explain to them why you're taking apple cider before you eat.
Take apple cider vinegar 20-30 minutes before you eat, and it keeps your blood sugar more stable.
Okay. That's the reason. Blood sugar more stable. Or, yeah. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make sauce. Perfect.
You want plates?
Not necessarily. You want the whole thing? I think. Because it's not so much. See, it's not so much.
They're really cheap.
Yeah. Oi! Huh? Why is it 12? I thought you got $7 before.
Maybe they mismarked it.
Yeah. The reason why we went there, we want to buy there is because, oh, it's low. Is because it's only $7.
No, Publix is going to be 15 or so.
Pag-refill muna ako ng ano natin, toyo natin. Mahal na talaga ngayon, nag-doble yung price nila eh. Bakit ang sarap ng wasabi, no? Pero wag mo siyang kainin ng buo. Kasi papasok talaga sa iyong ilong, guys. You want soda?
Yeah. Do we have any?
Yeah. I put one here before. Do you want, which one do you like? The salmon or the tuna?
There's no. We're gonna share, no?
Okay, we can share.
There's only open soda.
Okay. Oh, there's no more soda there now?
No.
Oh, forgot to refill.
Only one egg. Okay. That's our egg.
Let's eat. Maybe only 2 for me. Maybe. And then, nahirapan ako, guys. 1. Paligiron lang ito. Paligiron kaya mahirap siyang equal to. That's for you, darling.
Alright. Bon appetit.
Bon appetito! Ooh. That's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Thank you. Salmon is good. Let's try tuna. Mmm. Tuna is good too. It's very fresh. Mmm. So good.
Mm-hmm.
We need more pickled ginger. Dati ayoko sa pickled ginger. Ngayon I like it na.
We could have gotten that at Carmen's.
Mm. Hi guys, it's what time is it? 12:46 p.m. and magwa-walking lang ako. Hindi ko kasama si John na mag-walking ngayon guys kasi nasa trabaho siya. Hinatid niya yung mga binili niyang grocery kanina pero babalik din siya kaagad. At habang naglalakad ako, may mga madadaanan ako dito guys na mini library. I-check natin kung ano yung pwede nating makuha dito. Pag dumadaan kasi ako dito, minsan puno ito guys. Ayan, may mga pocketbooks dito. Hindi ko kilala kung sino yung mga author na yan. So hindi ko kinuha. And then check natin yung iba. Merong mga coloring books, reading materials, mga pocketbooks for kids. Ayan. I think may mga Bible din dito. Ayan. Tinignan ko lang. Ayan, ito. Gusto ko to. How am I doing? Ayan. Kunin ko to. Ayan, ito yung nakuha ko. How am I doing? 40 conversations to have with yourself. I think it's a good read. Ayan. Parang kailangan ko ito guys. Mabasa nga ito. Madami pang mga mini libraries actually around our area guys. Try ko mag-ikot-ikot sa susunod. I think there are like 20 mini libraries. Minsan nakakakuha tayo ng mga educational materials. Pwede nating ipadala sa ating mga pamangkin sa Pilipinas. House na ako. Alright. House na ako guys. Lagay muna natin yan dyan. Hukasin muna natin yung shoes. Alright. Katatapos ko lang mag-walking. 3 rounds lang ako today kasi medyo mainit talaga siya. So, hindi rin maganda sa skin natin yung sobrang init, guys. No? Nakakasira din yun, yung UV rays. Si Jan nasa work na. Actually, hinatid niya lang yung mga pinang-grocery niya kanina. Babalik din siya kaagad. Naku, hindi ko na malayan. Ang haba na pala ng vlog natin. Ang dami ko kasing ganap for today's vlog. Akala ko mawawalan ako ng content. Ang dami pala. Hindi ko man lang natapos itong pagluluto ni Jan ng roasted turkey. Pero continuation natin ito bukas, guys, ha. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanood sa daily vlog natin ngayon. At kung nakaabot ka sa portion ng video na ito, mag-comment ka lang ng blue na heart this time. O, diba? Para malaman ko talaga na tinapos mo yung video natin. Uy, maraming salamat talaga. Padami na ng padami ang ating mga subscribers. Happy 200,000 subscribers ulit sa ating lahat. I really appreciate your support, guys. And kung gusto po ninyong magpa-shoutout sa susunod na video natin, mag-comment lang kayo, ha. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!